Good day everyone, this is Molly from Qingdao Cell Rigging. Today I wanna share the US type I bought with you. Several common types on the market including J275, this one, J277, J279, this one, and J291, this one. This one usually have a nuts. I-bolts are wire rope equipment integral to many hoisting, anchoring, rigging, and suspension applications. The surface is usually original color or hot dip galvanized. The material of US type I-bolt is 45 carbon steel. It's a medium carbon, high quality carbon schedule steel, suitable for machinery, manufacturing, construction, petrochemical, and other fields. Next video, I will share the details of job forge technology. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.